Let's get started. Welcome to the unboxing of the Philips Hue White and Color Ambience Lightstrip Plus. It's basically an LED strip from Philips Hue. So before you open the box, let's look at what the box says. Now towards the front, you can see it says 2 meters here. So that's the length of the LED strip. It says Philips Hue White and Color Ambience Lightstrip Plus 16 million colors from warm white to cool daylight. Shape light your way. On the side of the box, some more features are mentioned here, like it has ultimate flexibility and it can be extended up to 10 meters. Now this strip in this box comes with a base and a 2 meter LED strip. You can attach 5 of those LED strips to make it 10 meters, driven by a single base. That's what this means. The light output is up to 1600 lumens. It says a Zigbee certified product. I don't know what that means, but it's good to be certified. At the back, some more features again. The inclusions are one light strip, 124 volt DC adapter. The price of this product, the MRP of this product is 7,500. I'm not sure whether you can see that. It's a very fine print. However, I got it for 5,725 rupees or so from Amazon. I'll leave the links in the description below to direct you to this product on Amazon. Now this is a Gen 2 model which is available in India. On the side of the box, again, it says 20 watts and 1600 lumens. Nothing to see anywhere else. Let's go ahead and open the box. I have this knife here. Let's cut the tape. Snip, snip. So let's check out the contents. What do we have here? This is the Indian socket conversion. The actual LED strip with the power input here. There's a 3M tape behind the LED strip for you to stick it to any surface, and here is the actual LED. Let's keep this aside for the time being. Let's look at the other contents in the box. So this is the adapter for the Philips Hue. Let's keep it aside. What else do we have in the box? Some documentation. Philips Lightstrip Plus, nobody reads that. Let's power this thing on. It's pretty cool. It's a yellow light as of now. So I've gone ahead and configured this light on my phone on the Philips Hue app. I'm just going to show you how the color changes. Let's just change it to blue. Some preset themes in the app. There's Spring Blossom, Tropical Twilight, Bright, and if I just want to choose a color from the palette, you can go ahead and do so. It's a very nice product. I'm glad I purchased it. It's going to highlight my studio setup very well. So that's it, folks, for this review. Do let me know if you have any questions in the comment section below, or you can reach out to me on Instagram. And of course, do subscribe to the channel if you've not done so already. This is the VNS Live Studio channel. I'm Ron, and you're watching Ron Reviews. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye-bye.